today I'm going to do a look slash review with the Electric Garden palette from Valfre. I genuinely do not know how to say this brand's name. They've been around on Instagram forever, like I've been following them for forever, and they reached out to me and sent me this palette along with a few other goodies, like this new phone case. It's a little covered in makeup, but it's a charging phone case. It's really cool. They make a lot of cool phone cases and clothes and a lot of stuff, but this is their first makeup item. It is this palette, and it has a lot of very bright, very cutesy colors, very cute packaging, like their classic art on the outside. This is the art that is usually associated with their brand, like cute stuff like that. Also, that whole star freckles thing is them. I almost did a star freckle look, but I feel like I do them a lot, so I want to do something different. So I did a Euphoria inspired look, because that's different, you know. I don't know anyone on Instagram who's done a Euphoria inspired look, actually. I haven't seen any. I think I'm the first one to do it, so I'm super proud of that. But anyway, if you want to see how I got this look and know my thoughts on this cute palette right here, then keep on watching. Okay, I've already got my base makeup on, so let's just go ahead and get started. Got the palette right here. Look at those colors, they're so pretty. Although I don't know what I'm gonna go in with. Like, I've had all day to think about this, but I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start out with some Anastasia eyeshadow primer, just to make sure the colors pop. I think I'm gonna work with these two purples, because I haven't done a purple eye in like a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna dip into Aster first, which is this really pretty lilac shade. I think I want to do a Euphoria inspired look, because I'm like the only person on Instagram who hasn't done a Euphoria inspired look. And by inspired, I mean I'm just going to put gems on my face. That's blending out really beautifully, and it also looks really nice on my skin tone, which is surprising. Lighter colors like that I usually have trouble with, but that looks really good. That looks really, really, really good. I think I'm going to do, honestly, a relatively simple look. Okay, now I'm going to take a denser brush, and I'm gonna go into Orchid. Orchid looks like it's more of a satin shimmer, so this might not do what I want it to do, but I want to just deepen up the crease and also put it underneath my eye. Yeah, it's not really performing the way I wanted it to. It's a very pretty shade, but it's like really patchy right there. I don't know if that's me, if it's the eyeshadow, but I've never had that problem. Okay, let me try applying on my under eye where it's like bare. There's not even any primer under there. So. Yeah, okay, so that was a bit rough on this eye. Orchid is not happy with me right now. Okay, so that's it on that eye. I'm gonna try and do the other one. Okay, so after a bit of blending, it looks like this. That took a lot of work. This was not like super easy, but it looks really cute. So last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Hydrangea, which it looks like it's a white to blue shift. Ooh, whoa, that looks really cool on camera. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna pop it in the middle and like towards the inner corner. Blend it out with my finger. Okay, that looks super cute. I'm very happy with that. Now comes doing the rest of my makeup and the Euphoria looking part. I'm gonna just speed this up because you guys have seen me do my makeup 1,000 times. I'm just gonna finish contouring and adding blush and everything, and then I'm going to get to the fun part with the gems. Okay, now it's time for the gems. To be honest, I don't know anything. Like, when I'm saying like this is a Euphoria inspired look, it's inspired by everyone putting gems on their face recently and saying it's inspired by Euphoria. I haven't seen Euphoria. It doesn't look like my kind of thing. It looks very serious, and to be honest, like all of the shows and stuff I watch like in my free time is usually comedy or fantasy or something. I like an escape. Seems very realistic and bad. And while like, you know, you need that in your life sometimes, it just isn't, I haven't started watching it yet. But if it's good, please somebody let me know in the comments down below if you guys like really, really like it. I'm sure it's great because Zendaya is involved. Like, low-key, that girl can do no wrong. But I don't know, it just didn't seem like my cup of tea, but you guys think I would like it, let me know in the comments down below. And I might check it out. Okay, now I'm gonna add some lashes and gloss, and that's it for this look. Okay, I've got my fake freckles on, my lashes on, and my lips on, and that's pretty much it for the look. I'm super happy with how it came out. It looks really, really cute. As for this palette, I love the like branding, I love the outside, I love the shape, I love this little mirror. It's super cute, but I will say Orchid was super disappointing to me. But I think honestly that's because, no, it's drier. It's just drier. It's a shimmer, but the rest of the shimmers from touching them don't feel like that. It's just a bit drier than the rest of them. But the shimmers are amazing. The mattes are really good. Like that, I didn't think that lilac would be that good. And I know purples are hard, which might be why Orchid kind of didn't perform to my usual standards as well. But everything else is really pretty. I think for a first palette, this is a great job. They did great. Definitely room to improve, but honestly, a really cute palette. And yeah, if you really like these colors or you like this brand a lot and like the art and everything, I highly recommend it. But yeah, that's it. I really do like this look. I'm really a big fan of this look. It came out super cute. That's it for my thoughts. If you guys have this palette, let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of this look. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you want to keep up with my dumb face. If you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I upload usually every Tuesday and Friday if I can help it, but sometimes I forget or I get tired. But yeah, I aim for every Tuesday and Thursday. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!